Melanoma is a type of skin cancer that has affected so many people worldwide. According to the World Health Organization, there are about 132,000 new cases of melanoma worldwide each year. In the US alone, there are about 87,110 new cases diagnosed each year. Actually, when caught early, most melanomas can be cured with relatively minor surgery, but when melanoma has spread around the body, which is known as stage 4 or metastatic melanoma, it is sadly notoriously difficult to treat. The standard treatment is only effective in a small number of cases and is highly unlikely to produce a cure. That's why a lot of patients with advanced melanoma usually feel hopeless. Many of them are just giving up. They are just upset that they will not be able to see their kids grow, which makes them feel even more depressed. The roles of their relatives become extremely vital at this stage because they can inject some optimism and help the patient find new treatments. While the patients usually have lost their desire to find cure, their relatives can keep on searching and convince them to try and try again. When melanoma is diagnosed at a later stage, stage 3 to 4, a clinical trial is often considered the best treatment option. That's why if you or your relative is suffering from melanoma, it is important that you learn about clinical trials as a treatment option. A clinical trial is carefully designed to closely monitor people's progress as they go through treatment with a new investigational drug, product, device, or method of treatment that has not been approved by the FDA. Clinical research studies help find new ways to treat, prevent, and diagnose diseases, including melanoma. Today, all medications prescribed by a doctor must first be tested in clinical research studies. Study participants receive close medical supervision and provide valuable feedback on their experiences. All clinical research studies in the United States are reviewed by the FDA and governing bodies called institutional review boards, whose job is to make sure participants' rights are fully protected and that participants are not exposed to any unnecessary risks. When participating in a clinical trial, participants receive study-related medications and medical monitoring at no cost. However, insurance requirements vary by study. Participating in a clinical trial is voluntary, so once you enroll, you may end your participation at any time. So wake up and keep your optimism high. Convince yourself that there is a cure for your loved one hidden somewhere out there. That's why you shouldn't stop searching, and you better act now because the time is not on your side.